Hello, welcome to Ellie Toys. I have done something that I possibly shouldn't have, but I had to. The minute I noticed that the Disney princesses, I had never noticed this before really, so many of them are just block colours, like Belle's yellow, Tiana is lime, Aurora's pink, Moana's red, Rapunzel's purple. Can you see where this is going now? Yes, it is time for Among Us Disney Princess Edition. So strap yourselves in. However, before we begin, I do have some sad news. Ariel, oh gosh, you're green and pink. Snow White, you're yellow and blue. You guys are not block colours, therefore you can't play. First two voted off the island. Hold on, that's entirely the wrong show. So off they go, spinning through space. Bye! So they don't get to play. No, they don't get to play. It's very sad, but that's all right. There are plenty of other contenders for our game. So first up, we're bringing in Rapunzel. Rapunzel is resplendent in purple, but the shade of purple is entirely the wrong colour if she's going to be, well, purple. So she needs to be darker purple. Good news though, we have other Rapunzel outfits that are dark purple, so let's bring them in, stick her head back on, and now Rapunzel is purple. But we're not finished yet, because now she still doesn't look enough like an Among Us character. So let's make her hair not this, vast amount of yellow. Let's make it purple. So we'll try some purple hair pieces on her. That's definitely purple. It's definitely a good shade of purple, but she doesn't look like Rapunzel anymore. Let's try this other one that I painted. This is one of the nail polish ones that I painted years ago. It's still going strong, but it doesn't look right. So what I'm actually going to do, if I'm going to do this, we might as well go all in, painting her hairpiece. So it's going from yellow to a lovely painted purple. Look at that. If you ever wondered what Rapunzel's hairpiece looks like in purple, well, now you know. I have done that for you. You're welcome. So she's ready. We now have got purple, our first competitor in our game, but she needs a hat. For the hat, she's got to be the plunger. The plunger's my favourite. Well, it's one of my favourites. One of my many favourites. So she's being plunger head. So purple is plunger head, and she's ready to play. First one, let's put her back here really carefully out of the way so we don't knock her plunger hat off. And let's bring Tiana in. Tiana is now going to be known as Lime. She is that light green colour. And she is, like I said, their outfits are a block colour. They're totally ready to go. But we're going to change her hairpiece. I'm going to take a Cinderella one and paint it lime green because it's got plenty of Cinderella ones. And let's get this on here and then she can be totally lime. Oh, looks great. Why don't more people have lime coloured hair? Actually, I'm being facetious, but it really does look good. For her hat, she is going to have the egg, the fried egg, because Lego provides us with a fried egg, so it's perfect. Lego gives us so many good hat options that work with Among Us. Okay, Belle's turn. Belle is already so yellow, but her hair is not going to cut it, so we're going to paint her hairpiece, rip her torso off. No, we're going to paint her hairpiece blonde. We've just made yet another blonde Disney princess, as if there weren't already enough. But she needs to be totally yellow so that she can play Among Us, and she's ready. She's even got her yellow gloves on, and for her hat, she is going to have the pirate hat option, precariously balanced on top of her new coloured hair. Perfect! Let's move her back here. And we're going to do Anna next. Now, Anna was really convenient because dark green is not really a colour you find with traditional Disney princesses. So thank you, Anna, for giving us a bit of a better spectrum. And for her hat, we've got a perfect option here. She can have the baker's hat and the hair can be painted dark green underneath because dark green hair is a lovely choice this season. Ha! Dunskies. Now this hat, at least, is not going to fall off, so she's ready. I reckon she might be our ultimate winner simply because she doesn't have to stop and keep picking up her hat. Okay, Aurora, now known as Pink, is going to need, obviously she's got the pink dress down pat. She's totally ready there. For her hair, I'm going to be lazy this time. I'm not actually going to paint her hair because I think that this hairpiece, which already exists in Lego, will work perfectly fine for this option. It's really similar enough to her blonde hair, except in pink, and she'll still be recognisable as Sleeping Beauty, now known as pink. And for her hat, she's getting the party hat. Thank you, Lego, for all of these great accessory choices. Okay, pink, go and stand back up here with your other crewmates. And let's bring in Moana, who is in red. So Moana's going to be red, so her hair also has to be red. So I painted this hairpiece red, and it did not cover particularly well because such a dark hairpiece, and I refuse to use a base coat, but it will do for the purposes of this game. So actually, you know what? She looks great with this hair color. It actually looks really good. And Moana's hat. I think she would quite like the knife that's stuck into your head. So let's try, you know what? I could actually balance this. I was able to balance that on her hair before when I practiced this, and it's now not doing it. I'm gonna sticky tack it in place, but for now we're just gonna pop it on like that. So there we go, dagger head, and red is over here. And now, how many we got left? How many do we have all up? I'll count them in a moment. Next up, we're going to have Merida because she is wearing dark blue. Perfect, it's a bit of embellishment on it, but you can't be a Disney princess even in Among Us without a bit of sparkles on you. So I'm going to recolor her hairpiece. Well, actually, that was Andrea's old hairpiece, exactly the same style, and now it's dark blue, and it's gonna match her outfit perfectly. And no, Merida is now dark blue, and for her hat, she is getting the little green sprouts. Perfect, sprout head. Okay, blue, you can go and stand back over here with the rest of your crewmates. Come on, move, move, move. Move, 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 come on. And now it is time for Elsa. Now Elsa is cyan, and look at her face. You can't trust that face. She'd be the first one I'd kick out as an imposter. She looks totally sus. Now, she's got her hair color ready to go. For a hat, Elsa is going to have the mini-me version. Yes, she is having a baby balancing on her hair. Try sneaking through the vents with that sticking out of your head. Okay, so Elsa, aka Cyan, is now ready. How many have we actually got here? I didn't count. So 1, 2, 3, hold on. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we need, let's go to 10. So what other colors do we still have that we haven't filled? Black! Oh my gosh! Let's put in Maleficent as black. So she is predominantly black, right? And we've got, I'm gonna change her outfit out. I mean, they would totally go for her as 100% the imposter because she's the villain. Who else is it gonna be unless there are 3 of them? So we're going to change her outfit to an older version of Maleficent, which is mostly black, and it works perfectly. We're going to leave her hat off because she's already got a black head, and let's use the mohawk piece. Now, I know that the mohawk in the Among Us hats is actually pink and blue, is it? But this will do. This will work okay because it totally goes with her aesthetic. Oh, okay, so Maleficent is rocking a mohawk hat. So we've got black. We need 1 more to get to 10. What other colors haven't we used? So we haven't used orange, white, and brown. Gosh, there's no orange. We can't do white. You know what we could do for brown? Christoph's gonna play! Yay! All right, so bring in our token boy. So Christoph is going to be brown, and he is going to need brown hair, and I don't actually have this hairpiece in brown, so we're just gonna use one that's similar. This is Christoph, right? We know it's Christoph, even if his hair is a little bit dodgy. And for his hat, he's getting the sticky note that says dumb on it. That's just so, I couldn't help myself. We just got to do this. So this is our Lego version of the sticky note on his forehead. Okay, this game is now full. We have 10 crewmates. The question now is, who has been lurking suspiciously near the vents? And how many imposters are there even really? Because I wasn't paying attention at the beginning. There could be 3. I don't know. They all look pretty suspicious to me. Oops, they have called an emergency meeting already. That's interesting. We've only just started playing. And they have ejected. Oh, it's purple. I knew she looked sus. I didn't get to vote, but I knew it. I just knew it.